Hello and welcome to another of my how-to videos. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to use a Amazon Echo Dot. This is a 3rd gen, but the other ones work. How to use it as an external speaker for your iPhone. Obviously this will work for Android, but I've only got an iPhone, so that's all I can do the video on. So it's a really simple process. Basically you issue the command Alexa, pair, and on the Bluetooth settings you need to make sure they're turned on. The Echo Dot will show up, this one here, and you just tap it.
Now connected to Melanie's iPhone.
And then if you want to disconnect it, you just tap that and go disconnect. Nice and easy. So once that's connected, you can then play any type of music through it, and any sounds from the phone will come through it as well. But obviously make sure you do disconnect it, because if you put this somewhere and it's in range, it'll still be playing the sounds and stuff without you knowing. And also when you pair it, they need to be close like this. So I hope that helps someone who's trying to find out how to use an Amazon Echo Dot as an external speaker. Thanks for watching.